One important step. Remove your brackets for your doors and don't lose them.
Yeah, don't lose them.
Don't lose them. No sense going back to Lowe's and buying a new set. And using it perfectly fine. If you lose them, you will come back and buy another set.
Yep. You will.
Hang on to them.
Oh, that's good.
I don't know, that's some kind of a plug that they put in here, and maybe to a storage building that's out back.
Yeah, maybe.
That was their closest power. Let's see if that thing will go any closer to the wall. All right, so the very next thing we did, start cutting our lines across here. And always make sure you set your skill saw at the right depth. Make sure you're not cutting too deep in the floor. You never know what's below it. Wires on the outside edges, whatever. So we cut there, and now we're getting ready to cut in between the floor joists. Every floor joist right in between, and we'll start bending our pieces out, removing all the screws, the glue, everything else that you've seen on the video earlier. But I did bring some 40 grit sandpaper to help me with the glue and material that's left on top of the floor joist, where they add the piece of plywood to and all the screws. And that's the way you remove the floor. Done. You don't have to get it all, Paul. You just got to get it down, dude. I'm not trying to get every drop. If you look under this wall you just cut, on the end of the house there's an outside band and there's nails like this right here, sticking down everywhere. You have to put blocking against that wall. In order to do that, the nails are in your way, you won't be able to get up against your wall. This is my nail pulling trick. See if we can see it. I take my pliers and I get just as high as I can on that thing, and then I twist back and forth a couple of times like this on that nail. Your snips will just slide off and then hook. And you can take and bend it. There's your nail. So you take it, get it on there, on your nail, high as you can get it. Twist it a couple times. I'm holding the camera in my hand, trying to do this on the other. Twist it a couple times, bend your nail twice, and it's out. Pliers, framing, yeah. I'm using 2x4. Probably got to do that back wall, Bill.
Run one down this way, then come out.
Blocking. This is a very important step. Blocking around your vents. You don't want to be able to stand on it and have any flex in the floor. So that's important. Getting ready to run some blocking here in front of the door. Billy's already got blocking over here. A couple more pieces for each side. So you can catch both sides. Looks good. So getting ready to put some blocking here. Blocking there. Basically be ready for plywood. Finish the blocking there.